Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to sync your Google Calendar with your free Agile CRM account. First, log into your Agile CRM. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu on the left, look for the Integration section. Click on it. Then, find and click on Google Calendar Sync. On the Google Calendar page, click the green button that says Connect Google Calendar. A new window will pop up asking for permission. Choose your Google account and click Allow. This gives Agile CRM permission to see your calendar. Once connected, you'll be back in Agile CRM settings. Now, you need to choose which calendars to sync. Find the drop-down menu labeled Select Calendar. Click it and choose your main Google Calendar from the list. Then, choose your sync direction. To see your Google events in Agile, select Sync from Google to Agile CRM. To send your Agile appointments to Google, select Sync both ways. Click the blue Save button. Now, go to your Agile CRM calendar. You should see your Google events showing up. When you create a new appointment in Agile, it will also appear in your Google Calendar. And that's it. You've successfully connected and synced your Google Calendar with Agile CRM. If this helped you stay organized, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.